You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, fog lights, power moonroof, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, power driver seat, power passenger seat. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.